Hello guys, and welcome to the video. Today, I have an unboxing to make. The Santa Claus trilogy on Blu-ray. Because it is the holiday time. It's that time of the year for the holidays. So, I decided to go to Best Buy and pick up the Santa Claus trilogy. It comes with the Santa Claus 2, and the Santa Claus 3, the Escape Clause. And the Santa Claus 1 is rated PG for a few crude units. And the Santa Claus 2 and 3 are rated G. Okay. So, I'm going to open this. Alright. Okay, so I'm going to open it up. Alright. It's going to be stacked. Okay, so we got the digital codes, and it's all just one piece of paper. Okay, so I'm not going to show you that, but I can show you the back. Okay, there's the back of the digital codes. Okay, so they're all going to be stacked anyways. So I'm going to Santa Claus 1, 2, and 3 on digital. Okay, finally. And that is going to make it to 100. Okay, so the first disc is the Santa Claus on Blu-ray. You get the first one. It's all plain disc. Who cares? And then the second disc is the Santa Claus 3, the Escape Clause. This is all these DVDs or Blu-rays are from the 2012 Blu-ray release. But the only thing that's weird is that they made the Santa Claus 2 look like if it was the 2019 Blu-ray release, because it got the different MPAA rating. And it says it's 105 minutes, so they must have edited the movie. And the first two are 2012. Okay, so that is all I got for today. And by the end of the year, I'm going to do my Blu-ray movie collection and show you every single Blu-ray movie I own, including my latest addition to the movie, to the collection, the Santa Claus trilogy. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.